Welcome dear viewers, it's me Bersa Betakhle from the capital Asmara, and this is ERi-TV bringing you the latest news from around the world. And these are the ones making the top stories for today. Preparations for the 34th Independence Day anniversary are finalized. Elections of area administrators and managing directors in Dahlak subzone. Violent clashes erupt in Libyan capital Tripoli. And China kicks off meeting with Latin American and Caribbean nations. In your domestic reports, preparations to colorfully celebrate the 34th Independence Day anniversary under the theme Our Cohesion, Our Armor in the Central and Southern Red Sea regions have been finalized. Mr. Asmeram Tsagabrhan, chairman of the Holidays Coordinating Committee in the Central region, reported that the celebratory events commenced on 7 May with schools' Independence Day week and will include cultural performances at cinema halls and Bahti Maskaram Square, student parades and street cultural showing involving Asmara residents. Cultural displays organized by the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students are also part of the celebration. Furthermore, Mr. Asmeram said that public gatherings will be organized in all the subzones of the region, including at 86 villages. Similarly, the Holidays Coordinating Committee in the Southern Red Sea region reported that preparations to celebrate the 34th Independence Day anniversary have been finalized. Mr. Mohammed Isa, a member of the Coordinating Committee, said that the events will include programs involving residents of the region as well as members of the defense forces. The programs will feature seminars, sports competitions, popular campaigns, public gatherings, and more. The official ceremony will be held in the port city of Asab on 23 May, featuring cultural and artistic performances, a military parade, and a speedboat show. In other news, elections for area administrators, managing directors and village coordinators were conducted in 5 administrative areas of the Dahlak subzone from 6 to 11 May. Mr. Ahmed Bokalia, administrator of the subzone, reported that elections took place in the administrative areas of Jamhil, Derbushet, Nora, Dehil and Dessa. He noted that the elections witnessed a strong participation from local residents, resulting in the selection of 27 area administrators, managing directors and village coordinators, including 6 women. Mr. Ahmed emphasized that the awareness-raising activities conducted prior to the elections played a crucial role in ensuring a smooth and successful electoral process. He also urged the newly elected officials to serve the community with dedication and integrity. The newly elected officials in turn expressed their commitment to diligently fulfilling their responsibilities and upholding the trust placed in them by the community. Going to Mandafara now, training on bee farming and hive construction has been provided to 75 farmers, including 54 women, in the Golo administrative areas of the Sanafa subzone. Mr. Ibrahim Suleiman, coordinator of the program, said the training covered methods of bee farming, hive construction using locally available materials, types of bees, and measures to ensure bee safety. Ms. Afrah Ali, head of the National Union of Eritrean Women branch in the subzone, stated that the program was organized in collaboration with the union's Southern Region office and would significantly contribute to food security. She called on the trainees to apply the knowledge gained to advance their farming activities. Commending the organizers of the training, Mr. Idris Ali Shikar, administrator of the subzone, encouraged the trainees to share the knowledge they have acquired with fellow farmers. The viewers will be back shortly with their international reports and more, so stay tuned. Welcome back. Violent clashes erupted on Monday, May 12, in the Libyan capital Tripoli between rival armed factions. Following the incident, local media have circulated video footage of military mobilizations in and around Tripoli. The Medical Emergency Department of the Ministry of Health announced a full alert following the clashes, while the Interior Ministry advised the residents of Tripoli to remain at home for their safety. The Tripoli-Mitiga International Airport announced suspending all flights and redirecting them towards the Misurata International Airport, which is located some 250 kilometers east of the capital, while schools were suspended in some parts of Tripoli due to the clashes. Ever since the fall of the late leader Gaddafi's regime in 2011, Libya has been plagued by insecurity and political instability. In today's final report, the China CEAC Forum kicked off in Beijing yesterday, May 13, with Chinese President Xi Jinping meeting leaders from Latin America and the Caribbean nations. The leaders, who included Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, Chilean President Gabriel Boric, and Colombian President Gustavo Petro, greeted each other and posed for group photographs with Xi before the meeting started. Xi also delivered a speech to the summit. The last time he addressed the forum was at the first of such meetings 10 years ago. According to Chinese data, bilateral trade with the bloc was worth $427 billion from January to September 2024. Now, a quick reminder of the top stories. Preparations for 34th Independence Day anniversary are finalized. Elections of area administrators and managing directors in Dahlak. Violent clashes erupt in Libyan capital Tripoli. And China kicks off meeting with Latin American and Caribbean nations. Dear viewers, that was it for today. We thank you for watching.